Have you ever wondered why some people can't eat certain foods that most of us enjoy without a second thought? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. We're talking about food allergies, a puzzling and sometimes dangerous response of the body's immune system. These allergies occur when the body's defense mechanism misinterprets certain food proteins as harmful invaders. Just like a knight in shining armor, it swoops in to protect the body, and in doing so, triggers an allergic reaction. Now you might be wondering, what does this allergic reaction look like? Well, picture this. Someone eats a food they're allergic to. Their immune system springs into action, releasing a chemical called histamine. This histamine is like a flare gun, signaling the body that something's wrong. The effects can be seen and felt throughout the body. You may notice hives, those itchy red bumps that seem to appear out of nowhere, or maybe it's a sudden bout of vomiting, a nasty surprise nobody wants to deal with. Difficulty breathing can also occur as if an unseen hand is tightening around your throat. And in severe cases there's anaphylaxis, a life-threatening reaction that requires immediate medical attention. It's important to note that it's not the food itself that's harmful. In fact, the same food that causes an allergic reaction in one person may be perfectly safe for another. It's the immune system's overreaction that causes the problem. Food allergies aren't something that people choose. They're a serious health condition that affects millions of people around the globe. Whether it's a child who can't enjoy a peanut butter sandwich or an adult who has to avoid shellfish at a fancy dinner party, food allergies can have a significant impact on people's lives. So, the next time you enjoy a meal, take a moment to consider the complexity of what's happening inside your body. It's a fascinating and sometimes mysterious process. Food allergies are not a lifestyle choice, but a serious health condition that affects millions worldwide. So, what foods are most likely to cause an allergic reaction? Let's unravel the mystery by diving into the world of common food allergens. First on our list is milk. It's one of the most common food allergens, particularly among children. Milk allergy symptoms can range from mild, such as hives, to severe, like anaphylaxis. Next, we have eggs. This is another common allergen, particularly in children. While some kids outgrow this allergy, others carry it into adulthood. Then there are peanuts. Peanut allergies can be particularly dangerous as they can cause severe reactions. Unlike some other food allergies, a peanut allergy is usually a lifelong condition. Tree nuts, including almonds, walnuts, and pine nuts, are also common culprits. It's important to note that a person allergic to one type of tree nut has a higher chance of being allergic to other types. Wheat is another common allergen that can cause a range of symptoms from digestive problems to hives. Soy, a staple in many diets, can also cause allergic reactions. While many children outgrow soy allergy, for some it remains a lifelong condition. Finally, we come to fish and shellfish. These allergies, often first observed in adulthood, can cause severe reactions. It's noteworthy that being allergic to one type of fish or shellfish doesn't necessarily mean you'll be allergic to all others. Remember, while these are the most common culprits, any food has the potential to cause an allergic reaction. It's also important to understand that some allergies can be outgrown, while others might stick around for a lifetime. Moreover, reactions can vary greatly from person to person. That's why if you suspect a food allergy in yourself or a loved one, it's crucial to seek professional medical advice. Knowing the common allergens is the first step to effective management of food allergies. As we continue to unravel this complex topic, stay tuned to learn more about diagnosis, living with food allergies, and the power of awareness. How can you tell if you or your child has a food allergy? Well, the answer to that lies in the process of diagnosing food allergies. The first step in this journey often starts with a review of one's medical history. Doctors will ask about any past reactions to food, their severity, and how often they occur. They will also want to know if there are any family members with allergies, as food allergies can sometimes run in families. Following the medical history, a physical examination is conducted. The doctor will look for any signs that might indicate an allergy, such as hives, a rash, or swelling around the mouth or eyes. Next, we move on to more specialized tests. One of these is the skin prick test. Here, a tiny amount of the suspected allergen is placed on the skin, usually on the back or arm. The skin is then gently pricked so the allergen goes under the skin's surface. If a wheal, a small raised bump, appears within 15 to 20 minutes, it could indicate an allergy. Another test that might be used is a blood test. This checks for the presence of immunoglobulin E, or IgE, antibodies in the blood. These antibodies are produced by the body in response to an allergen. But even with these tests, sometimes the results aren't clear-cut. In these cases, an oral food challenge might be needed. This is where the person is fed small but increasing amounts of the suspected allergen under medical supervision. While these tests may sound daunting, it is crucial to remember that self-diagnosis of food allergies can be dangerous. Symptoms can be misleading and similar to other conditions. Only a professional can make an accurate diagnosis and provide safe and effective management strategies. Remember, food allergies can be serious, and in some cases, life-threatening. Do not take chances with your health or the health of your child. A correct diagnosis is critical to managing food allergies safely and effectively. Scene script. Diagnosed with a food allergy, it's not the end of the world. Living with food allergies can indeed be challenging, but with some careful management, you can lead a full, healthy, and enjoyable life. Let's explore some of the ways you can manage food allergies. One of the most important strategies is learning to read food labels. Food manufacturers are required by law to list common allergens on packaging, so take a moment to read these labels carefully. Look out for your specific allergens and remember, they might be hidden in ingredients you wouldn't expect. Preparing meals at home is another effective way to manage food allergies. When you cook your own meals, you have complete control over what goes into your food. This not only allows you to avoid allergens, but also enables you to experiment with different allergen-free ingredients, making your meals tasty and diverse. Now let's talk about the epinephrine auto-injector, also known as an EpiPen. If you have a severe food allergy, carrying an EpiPen can be a lifesaver. It can halt an allergic reaction in its tracks, buying you crucial time to get to a hospital, so always keep it within reach, especially when you're dining out or traveling. Speaking of dining out, restaurants play a critical role in creating safe environments for individuals with food allergies. Before visiting a new restaurant, call ahead to ensure they can accommodate your dietary needs. When ordering, be clear about your allergies and ask about the ingredients in your chosen dish. Schools too have a part to play. They should be equipped with policies to protect students with food allergies, including allergen-free meal options and staff trained in administering EpiPens. Remember, living with food allergies is not about limiting your experiences, but about making informed choices and taking necessary precautions. It's about advocating for yourself and educating others about your needs. With the right knowledge and precautions, individuals with food allergies can lead full and enjoyable lives. How can you help someone with a food allergy? Awareness is a powerful tool, and its significance cannot be overstated, particularly when it comes to food allergies. It's not just about understanding what food allergies are, but also about recognizing the potential harm they can cause and the steps we can take to mitigate these risks. Firstly, educate yourself. Learn about the common triggers and the symptoms of an allergic reaction. These can range from mild reactions like hives, itching, and swelling to severe reactions that can be life-threatening, such as anaphylaxis. Secondly, know what to do in an emergency. Time can be of the essence during an allergic reaction. Certain reactions may require immediate medical attention. Having a plan in place can make all the difference. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to help someone in need. This might involve being extra cautious when preparing meals, reading food labels more carefully, or simply showing empathy to someone living with food allergies. But it doesn't stop there. Spread the word. Let's encourage others to do the same. Because when it comes to food allergies, ignorance is not bliss. It's potentially dangerous. In conclusion, raising awareness about food allergies is not just beneficial, it's vital. With understanding, empathy, and action, we can create a safer, more inclusive environment for everyone. Together we can create a safer and more inclusive world for those with food allergies. Food allergies, while common, are often misunderstood. Today we've demystified them by identifying common allergens, explaining diagnosis procedures, and offering management strategies. We emphasize the power of awareness, knowing what to look for, how to respond, and how to support those dealing with these challenges. Knowledge is power, and it's our strongest weapon in managing food allergies effectively. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understanding and managing food allergies. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help spread awareness. Together, we can make a difference.